My warmest greetings to the participants of 14th International Conference on the theme Reimagining Business Dynamics through Digital Transformation in Disruptive World, IMSICON 2023 at IMS Ghaziabad. This conference is scheduled on April 29th, 2023. As we all know, flexibility, responsiveness and willingness, they are mandatory. Due to the I would say the achievements on artificial intelligence and data analytics, the data science, there has been a radical transformation in the areas, in the spheres across the business domains. I am really confident that this conference will provide a versatile platform to all the researchers, academicians, and professionals across the globe. I would here like to congratulate the entire team of IMS Ghaziabad for planning such a meticulous conference themes, sub-themes, and the planning of the entire conference. And here I would also like to express my gratitude to the Chairman, IMS Group of Institutions, Shri Naresh Agarwal ji, Managing Trustee, Shri Nitin Agarwal ji, and all the Governing Council members, Academic Council members, and to all the media patrons, publication houses, collaborators, academic collaborators and corporate sponsors, and the researchers, research scholars across the globe.